Okay, so now this is what's broken. This bolts into the turbo. So I'm going to tell you what we're doing. You see how it's cracked in the bottom? So we have to put some flux inside of it to help from contaminants getting into the weld, because we want it to be a nice strong weld. And once I am done welding around the whole outside, I'm going to, I might even just tack it on the inside a little bit, give it a little bit more strength, and then we're gonna go and shave the top on the belt sander, smoothing it out, because the final result, the O-ring has to sit in here, and that's what creates the seal. So let's get to it. So we have to do it also very slowly because I don't want to distort the metal. I don't want to change, I don't want it to warp. I don't want it to do anything funny. We're trying to save this piece. If I save this piece, we save 300 bucks. And 300 bucks is 300 bucks. All right, next. Take some alcohol. I don't need a lot. Okay. Take some flux, put it in there. Actually, it's actually a lot of alcohol. I don't want it. I want it. Put a little more. I don't want to have to wait for it to dry too long. Take my handy little brush and mix it up. See? Very good, very good, very nice. And now I'm going to take some of this flux and I'm going to put it on the inside. We'll clean it up later. All the way around it. And this piece too. And then we're going to stick it down there really tight. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, wait till it dries. So I'll see you guys here in 2 minutes. Alright, now we're ready for some tack welding. That looks nice and tight. Let's continue on this side. I'm not going straight through because I don't want to warp one area more than the other, too much heat in one area. So we're going to start on this side. looks good. The point here is for strength, not for prettiness. But I'm gonna sand everything down, grind everything down, make it presentable, and then I'm going to re-machine the area where the O-ring needs to sit. And then I'm also gonna machine flatten out the whole top area, so when it bolts up flat, and then we're good to go. And also I'm gonna obviously clean out the whole inside, because this is gonna be shavings that are gonna go in there. We don't want that going back into the engine, so we're just gonna put it through the cleaning machine, or maybe just run water through it, and the water will evaporate out of it after, you know, it sits for a day or two. So all in all, I think we saved it, but time will tell. All right, I'm back. So I sanded it down, machined the bottom. I'm gonna have to probably remachine the bottom again, but got it so it won't hit anything. Nice and clean. So the weld was a success. Now I have to open up this hole. I marked it with the red marker, so if you're wondering what that is, it's just a red marker, so when I put it on the machine, I know how much material to take out. So we need to make this guy fit in here. Let's get to the work. Well, I know the machine is shitty, but it worked. I think it worked. Let's see. I just need a O-ring to fit in there. The rest I could sand by hand, and now I just got to open that hole over there. That's the next part. What? All right. That's going to leave a good frickin' seal if you ask me. Eh? Let's just deburr it a little bit more. Pause it. Cleanup time. All right, now we're just gonna let the machine clean out everything. I'm gonna put it through each hole. Whatever shavings in there, let it, yeah, you could already see some shavings coming out. Not too many came in, you see it over there. But not too many came out. Let it run like this, and then I'm gonna put it through the null hole. I'll just keep running on different holes. Now I'm gonna clean up and let this sit and drain out for a day, 2 days, till I get the other one, and then we're good to go. The final test is obviously putting it up, running the engine, and seeing if it's gonna leak. So till then, we'll know 100%, but I'm pretty confident this looks a-okay. Till next time, see you later.
This concludes this episode of That Ally Garage. Next episode, we will be installing the oil canister, and hopefully it won't leak, so we can save that 300 buckaroonies. We also received a bunch of suspension components, so stay tuned to see that 911 Turbo come to life. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so you get a bunch of notifications when we drop a new video. We are so close to reaching our goal of 500 subscribers, so share the video with all your friends and family. And don't forget, if you ain't got haters, you ain't poppin'!